Customize your hotspot, changing name and password on iPhone. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever get confused by all the generic hotspot names when you're trying to connect? Or maybe you're just looking to beef up the security of your iPhone's personal hotspot? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to customize both the name and the password of your iPhone hotspot. It's easier than you think. Stick around, and I'll show you how. Alright, let's get started with changing the name of your iPhone's personal hotspot. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Settings app. You can usually find this on your home screen. Just tap on the Settings icon right here. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find General. It's usually near the top. Tap on General. Now, on the General screen, you're looking for About. This section contains information about your iPhone. Tap on About. Here, you'll see various details about your iPhone, and right at the top, you should see Name. This is what we want to change. Go ahead and tap on Name. Now, the current name of your iPhone will be highlighted. Just tap in the text field to bring up your keyboard and type in your new, personalized hotspot name. For example, I'm going to call mine My Awesome Hotspot. Once you've typed in your new name, look down at your keyboard and tap Done. And just like that, you've successfully changed the name of your iPhone's personal hotspot. Now, when other devices search for Wi-Fi networks, your custom name will stand out. Change iPhone hotspot password. Worried about who's using your iPhone's hotspot? Or maybe you just forgot the password. Don't worry, changing it is super easy. Let me show you how. Alright, first things first, let's head over to your iPhone Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see Personal Hotspot and tap on it. Now, inside the Personal Hotspot settings, you'll see an option labeled Wi-Fi Password. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you get to set your new password. Make sure it's something strong and not easily guessable. Type in your desired password. Once you're happy with it, tap Done in the top right corner of your screen. And that's how easy it is to change your iPhone hotspot password. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.